Good morning. I'm afraid it's not going to be warm and sunny. There will be some sunshine around, Louise, but you would think it was, because this morning we watched 3 swimmers strip off to their trunks and just walk into the water. Now the water is the same as the air temperature at the moment. It's 10 degrees. That is a bit nippy, so good for them. Now it's quite cloudy here this morning across Brighton. It's also quite cloudy across many parts of the British Isles, and it's also rather cold. We've got a northerly wind coming in across Scotland and Northern Ireland, really accentuating the chilly feel. So for Scotland and Northern England, the cloud will prevail this morning, and in the west it's likely to be drier. In the east across Scotland there'll be some wintry showers, but they're more likely to be of rain as we push into the northeast of England. For the Midlands, well, quite a lot of cloud around. We've got a weather front sitting in parts of the south, so some heavy outbreaks of rain currently across the East Midlands and in through parts of East Anglia, but come south of that weather front and we're under all this cloud. So southern counties seeing a fair bit of cloud this morning, but at this stage it's mostly dry. You might just find a little bit of drizzle here and there. So we pick up the other end of the weather front in the West Midlands and also into the south of Wales. So here too, it's a wet start to the day, but the north of Wales, well, we're drier, but we're still fairly cloudy across the northwest of England. And for Northern Ireland, well, here too, we've got another weather front, so a little bit wet. Now, through the day, our 2 weather fronts slowly push southwards. Any wintry showers across the northeast of Scotland could get down to low levels, but they're mostly going to be in the hills, and anything at low levels won't last. But it will brighten up generally across Scotland and also Northern Ireland, but it still is going to feel cold wherever you are. Through this evening and overnight, our fronts get down into the south of England, producing a fair bit of cloud, again some light or patchy rain or drizzle. Behind it, the cloud will break and it's going to be a cold night. In fact, the temperatures you can see are about 1 to 3 degrees. In rural areas, it will be lower than that, so we're looking at a widespread frost. So that's how we start Saturday. Where the cloud is broken, there'll be some sunshine around. It's going to be cold, but you'll find the cloud's going to continue to build as we go through the day. And in southern areas, we still will have our weather front, so it's going to be fairly cloudy and drizzly here as well. Then as we move into Sunday, well, Sunday, a drier day for much of the land. Again, there'll be a fair bit of cloud around, but it will break. We'll see some sunshine. However, there will be some heavy showers at times across parts of southern Scotland and also northern England. And we still will have the wintry showers across the northeast of Scotland, and some of them in the morning getting as far down as, say, Lincolnshire. But again, they won't accumulate. You won't need to get your sledge out. But then as we head on into Monday, well, we are looking at rather a wet day for many parts of the country, and it also is going to be windy for some as well. So unsettled probably sums it up quite nicely, with Sunday looking not too bad, Louise and Charlie.